he hit good. Oh,
Wow.
wow, did he ever? Yeah. Wow. Jesus, the
Something from Grand
front
Theft
tire
Auto.
was on the.
Did you know that high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and the nerves that control your heart? That's why 2 out of 3 diabetics will die from a heart attack or stroke.
You're an idiot.
If you are
You
a
fucking know
diabetic,
that
you have a
there's a fucking
significant
ambulance
increased
coming.
risk of heart
Or a
disease.
fucking fire truck coming.
Reverse
Get
your
out of the fucking
diabetes and
way.
increase your heart health through Heart Fit Clinic's
He's
advanced
moving, so
screening,
move
testing,
over this
and
way.
treatment methods not found anywhere else. Take control of your health. Book your free consultation at 780-733-1233 or heartfit.ca.
I'm Erin Estelle, doing news breaks. Trust TV News to bring you the very latest. Our team is committed to asking the tough questions to get to the heart of issues that truly affect Edmontonians.
I'm meteorologist Josh Clausen. We live in a region of weather extremes. Weeknights at 5 and 6, I'll make sure you're prepared for